Where did hot glue come from? Was it a brilliant scientific invention, or was it a gift from the gods of arts and crafts? Yay! We're about to go on a great vacation! What a nice hotel! But we should have watched our bags. Why is there a 3-year supply of hot glue in here? And where is our stuff? Just stay calm. We'll find a way out. We can make everything we need out of hot glue. Attach a sheet of parchment paper to a tabletop using masking tape. Shape straight lines with hot glue. Make bristles on each line. Draw a base of a brush. Fill the drawing with hot glue. Take it off when the glue hardens. Make the handle thicker with another layer of hot glue. Take off the bristles and attach them to the base. Make a heart with pink hot glue and decorate the brush with it. A hot glue brush is all done. Try it! Don't worry, it won't glue your hair. What a great idea! Oof! The sun is shining right into my eyes! But we've got an idea to protect you from the sun. Outline a visor on parchment paper. Fill it with hot glue. Create a bright emoji in the center. Draw a strap for the visor. Fill it with pink hot glue. And attach a fastener so it can close. Join the visor and the strap. This visor is light and bright, and it's made out of hot glue. What a great way to stay shady! My sunglasses are just as good. I'm the sparkliest girl out here. Outline a sunglasses frame on parchment paper in pencil. Trace the lenses on clear iridescent plastic. Cut them out. Make rims and the arms out of hot glue. Also, make the bridge and the nose pads. Hot glue all the pieces together. Why would you put up with the bright sun if you can just make a beach accessory out of hot glue? Christy wants something new in her wardrobe. What can we sew using hot glue? A stylish skirt. Outline 1/5 of a skirt pattern. Make a grid with black hot glue. Shape hearts using pink hot glue. Take the hardened piece off the base. Make 5 identical pieces. Join them together. This glue skirt is amazing, but it doesn't match my look. I bet it'll look great on my friend though. Let's add a top layer to her regular denim skirt. It's stylish, fashionable, and creative. Where should we put all of this stuff? Our backpack is MIA too, but we still have some hot glue left. Trace half of a plate on parchment paper. Draw a rectangle near it. That'll be one side of the backpack. Fill in the piece. Create waves using hot glue of different colors. Make 2 pieces for the front and the back. Trim the hardened pieces with scissors. Mark the length of the oval part of the backpack. And draw a wide strip. Fill it with colored glue. Copy the wave pattern like the one on the side pieces. Mark details for the lid and fill them with hot glue. Make long straps for the backpack the same way. Join all the parts of the backpack together. Make a lid out of 2 pieces. And hot glue it to the back of the backpack, leaving a small gap so you can open it. Attach straps to the back. Here it is, my hot glue creation. Phew, that long journey was totally worth it. Wow, what an amazing backpack. It can hold everything I need. And what kind of glue construction is this? Are these really flip-flops? Outline a template of a flip-flop sole on parchment paper. Draw trapezoids for the top too. Trace the outline of the sole with black hot glue and fill the entire sole using clear hot glue. Cover the top layer with black hot glue. Add dots on the heels of the sole in a heart shape to create a foot massager. Create a leopard pattern on the straps with hot glue. Use black and yellow colors. Take the hardened pieces off the paper and hot glue the flip-flops together. Christy was running so fast to get her treasures that her feet started hurting. But these leopard flip-flops will help her rest. We can go for a walk afterwards. Christy, you're the queen of the concrete jungle. I'm so thirsty. Next thing you know, I'll melt right here. Booking a room without AC was a huge mistake. But our loyal assistant, Hot Glue, is here. Just wait. Draw a round-handled fan on parchment paper. Fill it in with hot glue. Create a lightning pattern on it. Use black for the base. Apply another layer of hot glue onto the handle. This cute fan will save you from the heat. A hot glue gun is great for creating summer accessories. having trouble with my bag. Friend, help me out! I need a safe way to carry my groceries. Draw a grid on a big sheet of paper in pencil. Trace the drawing with glittery hot glue. Make 2 identical pieces. For the sides, draw long pieces with slanted V-shaped edges. Hot glue the parts at an angle. Draw a triangle to fit the piece. And hot glue it to the edge of the piece. Shape a straight rectangular side for the bottom of the bag. Hot glue all the parts together. Make handles out of hot glue. A hot glue shopping bag is coming to the rescue. We did it! Our bag can hold anything! Did you like our hot glue inventions? Let us know in the comments about what interesting things you would make out of hot glue. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so that you don't miss new hot glue hacks from Troom.